Hello guys, welcome to the 22nd session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In the previous session, we have learned how to use a single cascading parameter. In this session, we will learn how to use multiple cascading parameters by type and name. I am going to continue the same example that we have created in the previous session. Here, we have just passed title text. Now we need to display published date for this page. Let's create a property for this. And set the default value. Using cascading value, we can only pass a single value. For passing multiple values, we need to use this tag multiple times, like this. Now update the value to publish date. Now, those components will get title text and publish date from those cascading parameters. Let's update title component. Create a property publish date. Display the date on which it was written. And in footer component, create a property publish date. We will display year in copyright text. Save the file. Run the project. And open the page. Here we got the date as well as the year in the footer. Here we have set two cascading parameters and obtained both in the descendant component. Blazor framework by default assigns values to those properties based on the type of value. It means this string is assigned to title text of page title and date time in publish date. But what if we want to pass multiple cascading parameters of the same type? For example, we have passed string title. Now you also want to pass author name, which will be a type of string. So let's create a property for author name. Set the default value. Add another cascading value tag and pass the value of author name. In page title, add a new cascading parameter, string author name, and display this article published by author name. Now copy this and paste it in page footer. Here we will display that article is copyrighted by the author. Save the files and restart the project. Refresh the page. Here we got author name properly. But if you have noticed, title text also replaced with author name. However, we have not modified this in code. It happens because Blazor by default set cascading parameter values based on type. Here we have two string parameters, so value set in title text will be replaced by author name. So we will get the same value for all same type of cascading parameters. We can also specify name to cascading value and use the same name in cascading parameter to obtain its value. Let's use page title and author name as a name. In the page title component, we need to use the name property of cascading parameter and set the same name that we have specified in main page, page title and author name. Copy those parameters for page footer. Restart the project and refresh the page. Here we got proper data as per our expectation. Let's see what we have learned in this session. We can use multiple cascading value tag to cascade multiple values. Blazor by default set values based on the data type. If you have multiple values of the same type, then you can use the name attribute to distinguish those values. In descendant components, we need to set name property of cascading parameter to request the value of particular cascading value. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.